The public, including the media, should realize that this investigation is not an episode of CSI or Criminal Minds that is going to be solved in a 1-hour period. The investigation is multifaceted, multi-jurisdictional, and most likely is going to take a very long period of time to complete. Displayed on the maps outlining the discovery of the remains in Suffolk County are the locations where the remains were found. The numbers, as I said before, correspond to the order in which the remains were discovered. So as you can see, Miss Bartholomew was the first set of remains to have been found. The last we will talk about in a few moments. That's number 8. As I go down Ocean Parkway, from west to east, you will first see, as I said before, the original 4 bodies, which have already been positively identified. Number 8 is the next person that we will be talking about. These yet unidentified skeletal remains were the last to be found in Suffolk County, and that occurred on April 4th, 2011. We expect that DNA analysis will confirm that these remains are that of a male. Forensic anthropologists conclude that the male is more likely Asian, in his late teens to early 20s. His remains were found clothed and appear to have been present at the site for a significant length of time, and when I say length of time, I'm talking about years. The skeleton shows evidence of trauma, but the cause of death is radically different from all the other remains that we have found to date. His death has been classified by the medical examiner's office as a homicide. There are no characteristics of those remains that are similar to the original 4 remains, the identified women, or to the additional bodies that we'll be talking about today. Continuing on the map, number 5, you can see those remains were found on March 29th, 2011. Those remains have been identified through DNA as the additional remains of a female, Jessica Taylor, whose partially remains were also discovered on July 26, 2003 in the vicinity of Manorville on the northwest corner of Halsey Manor Road and the Long Island Expressway by a sump recharge basin.